Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. So in our science period, we are learning the chapter 12, that is force, work and energy. Okay, so today we will learn a very interesting topic, that is shadow. We all know about the shadow. So first we have to know how it is formed. So what happened, how the shadow is formed, so you can see. Okay, now with this picture we will understand how it is formed. Means we have a source of light. Okay, we have a source of light and we know that a light always travels in a straight line. We know that. Now if we place any opaque object means from light cannot be passed through it. Okay, perfectly. Now if we placed any opaque objects in the path of the light, so what happened? The rays cannot be passed through. We all know that about the opaque object. So just because of the a shadow will be formed, shadow of the same object will be formed behind it. Okay, you can see there. Okay, so shadow will be formed behind it. Now what is the nature and size of the shadow? So basically the nature and size of the shadow depends on the size of an object. First, the size of how big of the object is or how small an object is, and also the source of light means what intensity of light is passing through, how bright a source is. Okay, now the distance between the object and the source of light also means the distance between any lighting object, any object, opaque object, and the source of light. Now sun and shadow. So this thing you have to do at your home by yourself. Now just do one thing in the morning. First, have you ever noticed that where the shadow is formed means in the same direction, in the same direction of an source of light, or in the opposite direction? So or we can say, we will talk about the sun, so shadow is formed in the same direction of the sun or to the opposite side of the sun. So for this, shadow always formed during the morning and evening time. So we will during the morning and evening time and noon time, we have to talk about the three timings of the day. So in the morning and evening time, shadow is formed to the opposite of the light, opposite of the light. Even we have the any source of the light like a bulb and tube light, so what we say, shadow is always formed to the opposite direction of the source of the light. Means if a source is right side, then shadow will be formed to the left side. Now in the noon time only, under the sun, our shadow is, where will get the shadow? Shadow is to the just in front of the us, or just in the same direction or to the right direction of the sun. Now the length of the shadow. So in the morning and evening time, our shadow will be longer. Means only in during the morning and evening time, our shadow will be longer, because at that time sun is very low. Okay, so sun is very low means if the sun is very low, then the shadow will be longer. But at the noon time, all we know that the sun is just right above our head. Okay, sun is just right above our hand, so the shadow will be shortest. Means if someone asks na, which time our shadow is longer, so that is in the morning and in the evening time, or on in which time our shadow will be shortest, so that is because in the noon time. Okay, now a white source of light produce a shadow with an inside dark and outside light side. Means the shadow is not uniform, it is a bright shadow, bright source of light produced. If we are using a very bright source of a light, then the shadow will be very dark inside and it will be a little bit light shadow to the outside. Okay, now the dark portion is known as umbra. Okay, and the lighter portion is called as a penumbra. Okay, now so if you have any doubt, then you can ask me during the next live class. And today we have completed our chapter. We will meet in the next live class. Till thank you.